Welcome back, die-cast and Hot Wheels collectors. I've got 4 new releases to show you. These are Kroger exclusives and Kroger affiliate exclusives. So if you don't have a Kroger near you, you can look online to see if you have a Kroger affiliate near you. Otherwise, you'll have to resort to finding a friend or getting these from someone online. So we're going to look at these in order of the collector number, right? So the first one is number 146. It is the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 in a yellow Momo livery. Now this was leaked a while ago, and people were wondering where this was going to show up. If it was going to be a store exclusive or if it was just going to be a mainline release. We had it first show up in red as a mainline release, and this mimicked the red Datsun 510 Coupe from last year. Then it showed up as a black release, which mimicked the K-Day 510 Coupe release from last year. And now we have this yellow release with no yellow 510 Coupe to mimic it. So we're going to take a look at it. So this looks pretty good in yellow, although the yellow Momo deco is kind of hard to see. It's still a different shade of yellow, slightly. So it's definitely an interesting take with that car, but the collectors like it. And all these guys together look pretty good. All your Momo colors. Next is going to be number 163. This is the 90 Acura NSX in white. So it was already released in red, and this is a replica of Ryu Asada's actual car. He's actually put these decals on it, and if you look, they've created a fake racetrack, the Ryula circuit, kind of based on the Suzuka circuit in Japan. And if you look closely, the track shape is an R and an A for Ryu Asada. In red, and this is the old NSX casting. There's a new premium NSX casting with the non-pop-up headlights and same size front and rear wheels. So that's the red. And now we have it in white with the same deco. Still metallic green on the R, but with a black outline instead of white. And then all of the text is now black instead of white. Next up is going to be number 197, the TV series Batmobile, this time in a satin red with the gray stripes. Now this showed up earlier this year in black, and it was remarkable because it had the Cool Classic rims that we had only seen on the Cool Classic before, with gray stripes. And then it showed up as an ID chase car, Spectre Flame black with those gray stripes and the Cool Classic rims. And so now we have it in satin red. And it still has those cool classic rims on it, which look really good. I like those rims for a while, so I'm glad that those are making a mainline resurgence. And that clear window glass with the gray interior really looks really nice with this satin red Batmobile. And lastly, we have number 231, the 67 Camaro, this time in black. Last time we saw it just in the end case in this brown, this beautiful root beer metallic brown with these yellow and brown flames come off the hood and go down the side. Look really good. And so this time we have it in black with red and blue front lanes. And this version also looks really good. There's some little white details in those flames that I didn't notice before. Chrome base, red lipped rims. So there they are. Let's put them up. Number 146. The 510 Datsun Wagon. Number 163, Ryu Asada's NSX. Number 197, the 66 TV series Batmobile. Number 231, the 67 Camaro.